Meaning of gabled.
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 Gabled. The word gabled refers to a type of roof that has two sloping sides that meet at a ridge, forming a triangular shape at the top. These roofs are commonly found on houses, barns, and other buildings. This architectural feature provides extra space for an attic or additional rooms, and also adds visual interest to the building's exterior. Gabled roofs are popular across different cultures and architectural styles, and have been used for centuries. In summary, gabled describes a specific style of roof that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.